Today in this video I am going to tell you how do you install the CS2 on your Windows machine. So for that you simply have to go to the browser. You can use any of the browser. I am using the Edge. In the Google or in the any of the search engine, you just have to search for Steam, STEAM. Okay, and when you do so you would be getting a website which is called welcome to Steam, and the URL is store.streampowered.com. okay, so this is the site which we are going to utilize to download the CS. okay, and then I click on that and it should navigate to this portal where you would find a lot of games. On the top you would have something which is called login. So in case you already have a login credential for this website, please utilize that. In case you don't have that, just click on this guy which says login, and then you have to create an account. Okay, so this is the same account guys which we are going to utilize to log in to Steam whenever we have to download or play any game. Okay, so step one is you have to create an account, and once you have created an account, then the second step would be to go here and click on this guy which says install the Steam. Okay, so when you click on that, it will redirect you to something like this where it says that this is the software for the Windows. I can click on that and then it will install the steam setup.exe. It will download the steam setup.exe for you. Okay, once you download that, you would get something which is called Steam Setup, which looks something like this. Double click on this to install the Steam Setup, right? And it is just a next. You just install it, and after that you will get this guy which is called Steam. Okay, and then you would have to use the login ID which you have already created on the website. Otherwise you can create one from here, right? So now once you are in this page and you are already signed in, just go to the store, or you can go to the top as well, and in the search just type CS. Okay, and you would see something which is called Counter-Strike 2. Click on that and that should navigate you to this page. Okay, so as you can see, this page is showing me all the details for the Counter-Strike 2. I can scroll down and this shows the minimum requirement for installing Windows 10, 8 GB RAM and all this setup, right? And if I just scroll down, you would have something where you have two versions. One is the Counter-Strike which is free to play, and the other one is the Prime status, right? To want to play it for free, you just go here and click on this guy which says play the game. Okay, once you click on that button, you would be redirected to this page. Here you would see that the setup getting downloaded. The size of the setup as of today is 46 GB, and this will take time depending on your internet connection and your internet speed, right? So all you have to do is just wait for this setup to get completed. Once the setup is completed, just come back to the library and you would have something which is called the Counter-Strike 2, which is installed on your computer now. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and then it has given me some news. I'll just go and close this, and this is the first look. How cool is that? Okay, so now to get started with, I'll just go here and click on this guy which says play, and then it says are you ready to proceed to the brief training session. Let's say okay, and let's see how does the brief training session look like. Okay, so this is the DDoS 2 and it looks pretty awesome, man. Okay, so let's see how does this training day look like. Okay, so this is me and we have the other bots as well. Okay, so it says that press B to open the buy menu. Okay, here is how you can buy all the menus. In case you are coming from the previous setup, it looks exactly like the same. B4 for the rifle, B2 for the pistol, and B5 for the accessories, right? So still you are getting $800, exactly the same thing. I would like to go for a grenade and then escape, right? And yes, it's pretty much the same. The controls I'm using is Q, D, W and the S for going back. Okay, with 3 I can actually take up the riot gun. Tab is to check the scores. It's mostly the same thing. Let's buy a gun. Let's try to follow up our teammates. Tick, 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 tick. Tidus 2 is actually good. Okay, so there we have somebody. Oh, I think I have the bomb, so let me just quickly plant it. Cool. So yes, this is how the CS2 looks like, and I hope you guys were able to successfully install it and play along as well. So wrapping this video here, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video of the CSGO or any other game.